everyone, I'm David Kersley and this is Alexis Moser, and we're with Gravity Graphics, and we wanted to share that the time has come that we need to refresh our wrap on our flag truck, better yet known as Calamity Jane.
Don't worry, the iconic red, white, and blue is not going to be leaving, but we do want to make it more personal to our valley.
As you may know, the photos and people on the truck are local veterans, and we want to add more, and that's where you come in. We are looking for your photos, your stories, and any advice that you might have for our design team.
Please share this with your friends and your family. We are starting the design process on February 1st, so the sooner you can provide your input, the better.
Thank you for your assistance as we continue to let freedom ring in Teton Valley.
Thank you.